Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandhya and I am going to Sikkim with our family friends. And Simar, say hi.
Hi.
So we are going to Sikkim right now, and so we will be for the next 11 days. We'll be covering Sikkim by road, and the one which you see is the luggage behind me. It's a huge luggage, and I also recorded a dedicated video on how to plan Sikkim travel. Make sure you watch that first before watching this vlog, and also stay tuned for my stories. Bye. So guys, we are finally in the car, and we are en route to Gangtok. Hey, Simar, are you excited?
Yes, मैं सिर्फ स्नो के लिए excited हूँ.
Mega, you?
Super excited.
Look at Mega dressed all sexy, and I am dressed. I'm already wearing
South Indian and Punjabi effect.
South Indian and Punjabi.
Old range
Actually. Okay, so it will take another 5 hours for us to reach Gangtok, and I will take some amazing footages on the way.
And you are hungry.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday, fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
So guys, finally we've reached Gangtok. It's around 2:30 now, and it took us 1 hour extra because the roads were very bad and a lot of construction work is going on. And luckily today it's not much cold during the daytime, and it's nice, sunny, bright sky. And we just checked in to Mayfair, Gangtok. Property is very pretty. I will just turn my camera and show you around the property. And we're still waiting for the rooms to get ready. So meanwhile, we are going for lunch.
Her just perfect, yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here, it took me by surprise when I met you in the doorway. I had a friend, you're a friend, never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you, 'cause I swear you deserve.
So guys, we've decided that we'll have food in Mayfair itself. So this is a restaurant in Mayfair. It's Orchid, and because it's Christmas Day, they have amazing brunch spread. I love the salads, and I'm trying sushis, and papad is my weakness. So sushis and some chicken salad and also some fish salad. And I really like this fancy way of serving the fruit. So you would think that it is some fancy drink. It's nothing. It's just a fruit salad served in this glass. So I think the spread costs around 1200, 1500 per head. It's totally value for money, and I'm going to enjoy it, and I'm going to over it today.
मम्मी ने मेरा स्क्रीन
Yeah,
गंदा
nice.
कर दिया.
This fish salad is nice. Hello. So guys, this is the room that I'll be staying here, and this is little expensive for one night. It's around 16,000 plus taxes. I think it's because it's Christmas and New Year time, but it's a very nice property. So this is the bed. Oh, I just love this bed. I love the interiors, and I'll show you the. Come, I'll show you the balcony. It's a huge balcony and a nice sitting area, and with amazing view. And the whole stretch has this bamboo forest here. I'm going to show you the bathroom. You'll be surprised to see. So this was this dressing area, and then you have this common area, and then you have this bathtub. And look at the view. This is the bathtub with a view. Ta-da! Knew there is a bathtub in this room, but I didn't know that it has such a beautiful and a very private view. So I'm going to have a cozy bath now before I head out in the evening for dinner. So I am ready to step out, and I'm wearing this red and black outfit because today is Christmas and I just want to have that vibe, and also it is very cold, so I'm wearing thermals inside this. And we will just quickly go and then walk around the streets of the mall road and then see the Christmas decorations, and then we want to come back early because tomorrow is a very hectic journey because we will be getting up early morning, and we have to check out and then travel to Lachung, and Lachung is a very very high altitude, and also it's a very long journey. It takes 5 to 6 hours with a lot of pit stops. So yeah, hence we have to come back to the hotel and sleep early. So I am now heading out, and I'll see you guys soon. So guys, MG Road in Gangtok is one place where you can get everything, be it electronic shop, woolen clothes, branded shops or branded restaurants or local cuisines, and you can get amazing momos here. And this time we are not covering much of Gangtok because last October I was in Gangtok with my dog Bruno, and I have made a dedicated video on places to visit, things to do in Gangtok. I am going to link that video over here. Go ahead and watch the complete video of Gangtok and also Nathula, and we are going to just surf around MG Road, and we are going to head back to our hotel now. So guys, this is day 2 in Gangtok. So last night when we went out for New Year, for Christmas celebrations in MG Road, we were expecting a lot of fun stuff to happen, but it did not. It's just like a normal day. I think maybe because of the COVID, everything was like very quiet, and also all the shops and restaurants got closed by 7:30, 8 o'clock, and we could not shop or we could not have dinner. So if you're coming in winters to Gangtok, so make sure you keep this in mind that you should start little early. Anyways, we didn't have plans to do a lot of shopping yesterday because we are coming back to Gangtok for New Year, so that time we will cover it. We'll cover in a much better way. After our breakfast here, we will be leaving to Lachung, which is currently Gangtok is around 5,400 feet high, and we will be traveling to 9,500 feet. So it's almost the double the altitude, and also the temperature. Currently now it is 12 degrees, and in Lachung it is 6 degrees. So very excited, very nervous at the same time. If you're traveling to Lachung, make sure you layer up properly. So I'm going to finish this tea, and then I'm going to pack, and we have to check out the hotel. So I will update you as I go along the trip. Bye.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. Doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong.
So guys, this is our first pit stop after we started from Gangtok, and I think this is we've covered around 2 hours of journey, and we found this amazing place. It's at Dikchu, and you will not miss this place because when you are traveling from Gangtok to Lathum, you will find this river. You will be descending through this river, and this is the place you can stop for a nice pictures. And I love the amber green color, and it's so peaceful, and it's a very nice place, and it's nice, cold, breezy. So we will take some pictures, and then now we will head to Lathum.
Feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
Finally, we have reached Lachung. So it took around 6.5 hours to reach here because that entire stretch is like full of landslides and everything. But you will have amazing viewpoints and amazing waterfalls on the way. So the drive is amazing, except the fact that we have to be extremely careful. So we're driving like really slow. And I've just reached this homestay, and also I am staying in middle of this entire snow-clad mountain. So I could see the tip of the mountains with full of snow, and I'm really waiting for early morning tomorrow to see all the snow-clad mountains. And also while driving, we noticed that we are staying right next to this river, like a huge river stream. So tomorrow morning I'm going to show you how this place looks and how the surroundings and everything. Currently it is 4 degrees, and I'm laid up like 4 layers, and top I'm like 5 layers, and I have this fleece and I have this down jacket. Still I'm feeling very cold. So it is going to be cold in the nights, but I think in the daytime, once the sun is up, we will feel a little better. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
So guys, coming up next is my Lachung vlog, and that I will be covering the entire North Sikkim, be it Zero Point or the ultimate Gurudongmar frozen lake. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my new vlogs. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my Lachung vlog. Bye bye.